Last class on your first chapter, question number D. First question, differentiate between data and information. Data আর information এর মধ্যে পার্থক্য. You will get the answer on page number 7. Data and information. The data consists of the unorganized and unprocessed raw facts and figure. এতটুকুই বললে হবে। তাহলে এখান থেকে পড়বে ডেটা থেকে এই ফ্যাক্টস অ্যান্ড ফিগার্স পর্যন্ত এটা বলবে। আর ইনফরমেশনের থেকে ইনফরমেশন ইজ দ্য প্রসেস ডেটা হুইচ উই রিসিভ আফটার দ্য ডেটা আর প্রসেসড বাই দ্য কম্পিউটার। এখান পর্যন্ত বলবে। এটা না বললে এখান থেকে ওই এনি থেকে ইনফরমেশন পর্যন্ত বলতে পারো। তাহলে হয় উপরেরটা না হলে নিচেরটা। Any data on which processing has been done with or without using computer is called information. For Bengali meaning and for better understanding, watch the previous video. Next question. What is computer memory? What happens when we input data in the computer? Computer memory কাকে বলে? যখন আমরা কম্পিউটারে কোনো ডেটা ইনপুট করি তখন কি ঘটে? You will get the answer on page number 8 here. Here, capacity of the computer to store all the data and information is called its memory. And answer of the next question, when we input data in the computer, it gets converted into a new language called machine language. Question number 3, what is primary memory? Write the name of its type. We'll find the answer on page number 9. So, primary memory is the inbuilt memory which is used to store the data and program running in the computer. And the types of memory, primary memory is of two types, random access memory and read-only memory. Next, how is RAM different from ROM? ROM আর RAM এর ডিফারেন্স দিতে হবে। On the same page number you will get the answer here. RAM saves your work when the computer is running and you are working on it. As soon as the system is switched off, the data are erased from this memory. RAM of a computer determines its performance. RAM comes in different capacities such as 128 MB, 256 MB, 512 MB, etc. It is RAM. And ROM, from here, data can only be read in this memory unit and it is not possible to overwrite or save any data in it. The work done permanently stays in it even when the computer is switched off. Okay. Next, number 5. What is a compact disk? Explain. You will get the answer on page number 11. CD stands for compact disk. It is a circular disk with a shiny surface on one side that can read data and programs. It needs to be protected from scratches, dust, etc. It can store up to 700 MB of data. The data stored on the disk can only be read. A CD drive is required to read a CD. Special software called the CD writer is needed to write on it. So copy the answers in your copy and begin to memorize the answers.